Hi everyone, we're back with the Hoover SmartWash Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner. We're going to be cleaning this room today. I just decided there's nobody around and nothing to do, so let's just clean the carpet. I pre-vac'd with the Shark Navigator 0M. You can see all the dirt and pet hair that came out of the carpet. So the carpet has been vacuumed several times and is very, very clean of dry dirt. So I'm interested to see what the SmartWash can get out. The reason I'm using the SmartWash and not the Bissell is because the SmartWash has the fastest dry time. So I can get back to using this room very quickly. So let's begin with the SmartWash. Using the Bissell Pro Max Deep Clean Solution in the silver bottle that I used in the last video of cleaning that rug with the SmartWash. Wish there was a place to plug the cord in behind me, but there isn't, so all the outlets are taken up. I'm going to move this to the side. Now we should be able to clean without the cord in the way. I do love the smell of this Bissell solution. I do love the Hoover SmartWash. It's probably been my favorite carpet cleaner still. Even though I love the Bissell Revolution Hydro Steam, the Hoover has just been all reliable, I guess is what you'd say. I cleaned my carpets dozens of times with this. Over the past nearly 2 years I've had it. Or a year and a half, I can't remember how long I've had this, honestly. A while would be the answer. But yeah, this is just a very reliable machine. It always performs really well at getting up deep down dirt out of the carpet. Been a decent bit since this room has been cleaned. So I'm going to move over here and then we're going to clean in a different direction. I'm sure I'm not going to run into anything behind me. I don't think so. We got this here. See if I can slide this piece of furniture just a little bit. Let's make some room to clean here. My hand is getting tired already. It's fine. All right. Oh yeah, this direction is grooming and cleaning way better. there was a stain there. The stain is gone. It was a very small stain. Alright, so I'm interested to see what we got from just this small area. Wow, look at that water. That's disgusting. That's incredible what the SmartWash removed from the carpet. I mean, the carpet didn't even look dirty, but it certainly was. So I'm going to continue. Give me just a... Alright, I'm holding my camera without my little handheld tripod because it's just too heavy. Well, more like a selfie stick. I don't know what to call it. It's a lot easier now. This camera weighs like nothing. Look at this. The SmartWash is an awesome carpet cleaner. You take several passes over using solution because I want to get up all that deep down dirt. See the Hoover starting to kick hair out. No matter how much you vacuum, there will always be a little bit of dirt that your vacuum can't get, that only a carpet cleaner will get with the brushes and the solution and the scrubbing action. Hoover really did knock it out of the park with this carpet cleaner. It just works so well. As you can see from all these videos, you can see there's another stain right here. See, it just kicked out a little fuzz ball right there. See, that water is already looking dirty. There's another spot right there. I'll take another 2 solution passes. I have the solution diluted so there's not too much in it. I just want to get up all that deep down dirt. This is definitely the direction to clean the carpet that lifts the pile the most. Going towards the tile back here didn't really seem to fluff it up very much, as you saw earlier in the video. Hoover is doing an excellent job. Looks like we're probably due for a water dump. So I'm gonna go to the kitchen and do that. All I can say is, wow, look at that dirty water. It's not like extremely dirty, but it's pretty dirty for my house. I mean, I don't have any mud or anything. I mean, there's my patio. No mud, just rocks. But I'll be right back and let's continue. All right, so we're back, let's continue. Empty, dirty, filled the clean. Carpet is already looking significantly cleaner. Smells nice too. A nice fresh scent of the solution. I do absolutely love the Hoover SmartWash. It's certainly a very powerful carpet cleaner. It really gets up the deep down dirt, pet mess, and smells and dirt out of the carpet. Move on to the next spot. Getting low on cord. Should have enough though. Barely enough. Well, that's it for this video. I'm gonna come back with the results. Look at how dirty that water is. That's pretty impressive. So I'm going to finish carpet cleaning and do the rinsing passes and drying passes, and I'll be back with the results. Stay tuned. All right, everyone, so we are done, and the carpet is extremely clean. You can see it's not even that wet. There's just a little bit of water in the carpet. The pile is extremely soft and has been really well lifted by the Hoover's brushes and suction. It just looks really clean and smells amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the Hoover SmartWash automatic carpet washer, and I'll see you next time.